Magsaligan sa pamilya, sabi ng mga nanay, United Homes.
7 p.m. The time check was brought to you by Joy Dishwashing Liquid.
You're listening to 93.9 Star FM. It's all for you, Stray Nation. Welcome to the program. It's all for you in the evening with your star DJ Dion on your radio. I'll be keeping you company on your radio until 10 o'clock in the evening for this program. At Stray Nation, samantala muna, meron po tayong isang finalist from Zamboanga na pasok para sa ating original songwriting competition, Bombo Music Festival 2020. Ito ay walang iba kundi sina Sir Dave Alvarado at Sir Alras Alvarillo. Ang kanilang kinumpos na kanta ay pinamagatang Di Mo Pasan. Mukhang emotional ang kantang ito, mga ka-Stray Nation. So sa gabing ito, atin na pong makapadayam si Sir Dave Alvarado. So, Stray Nation, atin na po siyang i-interview. Hello sir, good evening po.
Good evening, good evening.
Okay sir, sir, ano po ang inyong naramdaman ngayon na ang inyong kinumpos na kanta ay nabilang sa semi-finalist para sa ating original songwriting competition, Bombo Music Festival 2020.
I really am thrilled, no. I was driving tapos narinig ko yung ina-announce na nga yung mga additional 20. So habang tumatagal mas nagiging 10. So sa dulo kami, nasa dulo-dulo kami na part ng announcement. So nung nakapasok ako, masaya-masaya ako na nakapasok kami ni Alras. And kasi yung song kasi is really special. It's for everyone na, you know, may pinagdadaanan. So yun, I'm really thankful kasi nga prayer din talaga na yun makuha sa entry.
So sir, that song that you've composed is really an emotional, right?
Yeah, it's an upbeat song pero pag in-examine mo yung kanyang lyrics, it's really uplifting someone who is really experiencing depression, anxiety, ganun.
Okay.
Opo.
Sir, base po sa pamagat ng inyong kanta na Di Mo Pasan, kanino nyo pa ba ito inaalay? Is it to your friends, acquaintances, or to someone that is special to you?
It's for my friends, my acquaintances. It's also for my someone special. It's really for everyone kasi nga yung Di Mo Pasan na song is parang siyang uplifting song. Just di mo pasan ang mundo, ganun. Parang wag kang ma-pressure. Everything takes time. Dapat magmadali.
So sir, the song is a universal, right?
Yes po.
It is exclusive for all.
Yes po, apo.
Okay, so sino po ba yung naging inspirasyon ninyo sa pag-compose ng kanta na ito?
Yung inspiration po ng Di Mo Pasan is actually myself. I was going through depression back in 2017 and also anxiety. And then later part ng ng years and na-realize ko na hindi ko dapat pasan yung mundo, na I'm running at my own time frame and I will reach everything at my own time frame na ni-set ni Lord for me. Opo.
Alright. So sir, how many days did you spend of constructing the song before it became the final masterpiece?
So bali hindi siya yung consecutive days, ma'am, no? Pero if I were to sum it up, nasa 2 days namin siyang nagawa.
So it's hard, sir?
It is hard nung actually mas hard yung nakikinig ako sa radyo na nag-a-announce eh. Kasi hindi siya mahirap for me pagka you're into it, no? Hindi ko kasi pinakawalan yung idea na pumasok sa isip ko at nirecord ko siya kaagad. Ganun po dapat.
Okay, sir. So, sir, since kayo, proud na taga Zamboanga City.
Yes, Zamboangueño.
Yes, ipakita talaga, laban ng Zamboanga.
Zamban.
Ano po yung mensahe po ninyo dito sa ating mga listeners dito sa Zamboanga City?
Hi, Zamboangueños. I know sobrang daming talented na tao na musicians dito sa Zamboangueño. It includes music, songwriters, mga lahat. Landito na sa Zamboanga, so kulang lang sa atin is exposure and i-expose natin yung talent natin, ganyan. So work on your craft, huwag kayong magsawa. Kung meron kayong halimbawa sa songwriting, meron kayong naisip, wag niyong papakawalan yon. Isulat nyo agad, kailangan maalala nyo kasi hindi nyo alam kung ano yung mararating ng kantang yon.
Okay, Sir Dave. So with that, maraming salamat po, Sir Dave.
Thank you.
Po ng Star FM Zamboanga na matagumpay po ninyo na makamit ang inyong pangarap.
Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you.
Okay, God bless you too. Bye-bye. Ayan, Star Nation. Pakinggan, narinig po ninyo
Wow.
ang Mr. Dave Alvarado as a City